Hey guys, so today, sorry for that witness right there. So today, I'm just going to be doing a casual vlog for the 4th of July, uploading on Sunday. Yeah, so let's start. Check on myself, emotional trap, skin to the bone. Hello guys, it's 4th of July, and today we're just going to be walking around the city, listening to fireworks. I just saw firework around here, so I'm just walking around, not minding my own business, kinda just checking around, but the sky's blue. Wait, perfecto. Transition. Oh God. I'm gonna be right here to get like a good view in case if there are fireworks. That's a plane. Got one. Transition. Hello guys, this is the 6th of July. Sorry to not get an upload. Wait, is it? Yep, it's the 6th of July. That's the last week of summer school. Finally starting to summer school. So, okay, I'm bad in it. Okay, so today, we're not gonna really do much since it's already like 8:30. What? 35? No, 33. So, I'm gonna just shoot you around my room real quickly. So, let's go! Woo! Quick preview of my room. So, let's get started with my tour. Yeah, tour. So here, when I liked baseball, I always would do a scoreboard. This is the only art I did good without tracing it. It was like a Gatorade logo. These are my medals: 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, and 2012. 2013, 2014, 2014, Disneyland. See, look at this. I actually lit this up in the Jungle Cruise ride, I'm not sure. World Series Champions 2012. Filming. Always filming, sorry. I'm drinking mug. This is not sponsored by Mug. No copyright intention. These are my dance wristbands.
Staying focused on the piano.
My first dance 2014. I'm an 8th grader now. This is like my whiteboard of what I want to do animation. This is I didn't name this yet, but I think this is called the Media Shack. The Media Shack. The Media Shack. This is in the bottom of the Media Shack is there's books, toys all over.
Sadie, well, I don't have
clothes
any musical
right
talent,
here.
and I don't like to work hard. But I want to make a lot of money off of other people's talents and hard work.
This is my own photography badge because this is when I started making photography. 2013. I'm filming with my phone. This is my tablet. This is my flashlight. Not my flashlight. My flashlight. 3DS and wallet, headphones, thing, glasses, and these are emergency lights, just in case. Now, stuffed animal collection. I usually don't sleep with them. Yeah, don't judge me. I do sleep with them sometimes because I'm bored and I need to hug something. I'm kind of a hugger. This is what I got to Disneyland. Say hi to Jake. I got that doggy from my flag, my DVD player. I still have PlayStation 1 and
I didn't have time to come up with a names office. Are you having a pleasant afternoon?
And that. My baseball bats.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Trish, who's playing the boss?
You are.
Wow, I got promoted so fast.
2011.
I didn't have time to come up with a name speaking.
And this is my television. I'm sorry for to be jealous. Like, if you guys are jealous, bro, convince your parents to get a TV in your room. That's what I did not do. But example of my memory door. This is called memory door. Everything with my name and things I post here. Memory door. My first snapback. That. My last field trip badge code. Preschool name, 3rd grade name, and proposal badge. So, transition. Hello back! Welcome back again. This is the 7th. Ow, I hurt my leg. Ow. Okay, so today we're not doing much. I'm just chilling. Again, just chilling. My ceiling. That doesn't matter. Hi! These are the people. Say hello.
Who are you calling? Can I get
Nobody. You died already. Goodbye. So, today, just the normal vlog of the week. This is the 4th of July week. Sorry I did not upload this on Saturday the 5th. I was too busy working and other stuff. So, if you might be wondering if people are calling me crazy, I am not. I am weird. That's being honest. Transition! That's all the time we have for today. Or this week, I think. Make sure to subscribe down in the box below. And comment on what should I do next. I'm gonna make a series called Slow Motion. Basically like my parkour fail. As you all watched, I guess. I'm not sure. But, make sure to subscribe down below. Comment down below. And, bye-bye. Transition. Wait, dang it! What was I? Just mows along here. Oh!